Nowadays I'm hustling outside the box. From where I was, nigga, I'm better like I pull out my socks. As a man, you gotta be wise. You gotta think wise.
Okay. And on the wheel, first let me just select the right plane or the front plane, just cool. I'm going to first draw those two bigger circles. So these are the two circles which I'm going to draw. And after that, I'm going to go to Smart Dimension. I need this to be 96. Click OK. And I need, okay, this is the one I selected for 96. So I'm going to go to this one. Okay, so first of all, let me escape here. Going to go to this one. I need this one to be 90. Click enter. Okay, go to features. Need to revolve. And I'm going to choose 25 on each side. Okay, or let me just choose 50. There's something that I want to show you. Choose 50 and click OK. Okay, so now let me go to my assembled part. So as you can see, we have some two circles here which are at the middle. So let's just go to our SolidWorks. Okay, right here. This is our wheel. And now we need to draw some two circles. And if you select the front plane, if you look here, this plane is at the edge and we need it to be at the center. So if you go to features and you're going to see on reference geometry, go to plane. So we need our plane to be at the center. So you say it's 50. So we're going to choose 25 right here and click enter. Okay. And now we can add those two circles. Come to sketch. Okay. So we need two circles here. And we need the other one right here. Okay, click OK, Smart Dimension. Okay, so this one, I need it to have 36. And this one, I need it to have 24. Okay, now it's time to extrude. Remember, we said at the middle. So if we open our assembly, you see that those two circles are at the middle. So what we're going to do that on both sides. So on our extrude, just going to be a little different right here. So on our extrude, okay, so now go to features, extrude both base. So we need to extrude 25 on each side, 25 here, and on direction 2, we need 25 again. And I'm going to click enter, and this is what we have. Okay, so now go to the sketch. Let's go to the normal. We need to draw other two circles again. Come here, and we need to draw a circle. So first one is going to have a radius of 18, and the second is going to have a radius of 45. Okay, going to click OK and go to features. We need to extrude that. So on both sides, I'm going to choose 5 here. On direction number 2, I'm going to choose 5 again so that it will have a thickness of 10. Okay, and this is my wheel. Now what I need to do, I need to add a chamfer here. Okay, so right here, I'm going to add the chamfer. And right here, I'm going to add the chamfer. Okay, let me see how it looks. Okay, so it's cool. So this is my wheel, and you can change its material. This one. So as you can see, it's now our wheel. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, so save as copy. continue. So click the name,